Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily erase all content on your iPhone. So for doing this you just need to go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find here general, so it will be under screen time, so here you can see it, and just scroll down until you will see here reset. So just click on reset, and here you will see erase all content and settings. So just tap on it and just submit all the erase all content and settings, and it will successfully erase it. So just wait some time. It can take some time to erase all of your phone info, and you will have blank iPhone with no info. So this is a way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.